sitting here. We finally caught a few brims, so we're gonna turn on the camera for a minute. And we went to go sit in the truck. It is a little chilly today, I have to admit. There it goes. Whoa! God, that's a good one.
Yeah, that's a good dark one.
Peeing on me. Boom. Let's see that. That's a pretty fish. Got him another one. What in the world just happened? There was no fish here, and then all of a sudden, I want to go wake him up. Be like, get over here. Oh man, that's a big brim.
Yeah.
He's gonna taste good. Oh. That's crazy. It's like they all of a sudden just moved in here and they wasn't here. I'm struggling on my little reel. Oh, there he is. God, it's a big female. Yep, that's a female. So that's a female. I don't know, that's a male. Yeah, it's a male. You're going in the pot, buddy. Looks like a pretty good one. It's a female, I think. Yeah. I'll squeeze you. Oh no. I think that's a male. All right, everybody, we're just about to wrap her up. I think the kids look like they're about done. So we've got a few in the cooler. We'll go back, clean them. Oh, Travis has got something. What you got?
Big old female.
Big old female.
Man, I thought it was a catfish or something. It started swimming off real slow.
I'll tell you, their bite's weird today. There you go. Little bass. Heck yeah. There he is. Oh, feels like a good one. No, not that great. Big old female though. Good Lord. Boom. Is that a female? I don't know. I think it's a male.
It looks pretty yellow to me.
I don't know. I think it's a male. I think it ought to go in the cooler.
It's big enough to keep.
There he is. Oh, that's a female. I don't know. I think that there's a little male. There he is. She is. That there's definitely a female. Ain't no just mistaking that.
All right. I told you these were flying fish.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, that's a good dark one.
You know me. Let me know. What in the world just happened? There was no fish here, and then all of a sudden, I want to go wake him up. Be like, get over
Yeah. God, dude.
here. Oh, man, that's a big bream.
Yeah.
He's gonna taste good.